Today we're going to be going over the installation of your Ptfe hose end on your Ptfe fuel hose. Once you get your fuel system from us or your hose and fittings, you'll get your length of Ptfe hose and your Ptfe hose end. Once you get it cut to length, you'll want to get the Ptfe inside nice and uniform and round. You'll want to take a small screwdriver and get in between the Ptfe and the stainless and stretch the stainless out for the olive. You want to be kind of careful. This stuff is sharp. It will prick you in the finger. Once you have it spread out, like so, you want to make sure you have your side of your hose end on correctly. We can then slide in our olive. You want to put a little pressure on it, make sure it's seated correctly. And then we can use a little petroleum jelly to help slide in the fitting. Like so. After that's installed, you can go ahead and slide up your collar. After you have your collar on, you can install it in our 4 Innovation soft jaws. It should go down by hand a little bit once you have the threads going, and then you can run the fitting down until it's snug. Once snug, you're going to have a nice clean Ptfe fitting installed on your hose.